All right, this is Bill from Swiss Metrology, and we're going to be exhibiting at the 2026 Manufacturing Supplier Expo in Lexington, and that'll be this Wednesday, which will be the 3rd of June. And we're going to be exhibiting and demonstrating and answering questions on 3D scanning. And if you don't know what that is or what it's used for, or you're kind of confused about it, we are going to talk real quick here about what it's mostly used for. And one of the most important uses is it fits in to be able to inspect large parts that are huge. We're talking in railroad cars, boats, trains. I think I said railroad cars, trains, and automobiles, airport equipment, very large things. We can measure stuff up to maybe 30 meters nowadays with scanning equipment. Very hard to measure accurately and precisely any other way. The other category is complex parts. Think automotive, think interior parts, exterior parts, complex curvature. Measuring on the plant floor, you can see the manufacturing floor, big opportunity to find your errors before anything else goes wrong or before you produce any more. The faster you're going to identify the error or the problem with the part, the assembly, the weldment, the less waste you're going to have. And what can we measure? Well, distances, holes, bosses, feature positions, variance from CAD, and all the GD&T requirements. Ultimately, you're going to create an inspection report. Here's your inspection reports. Heat maps. Always a quick way to look at something. You're comparing it to the original design. You can see if it's red, the manager wants to know why. He may be walking by, and we got to know why. If something's red, it might be a problem. We got to fix it now. Reverse engineering. The other major category is reverse engineering. The customer brings you a part. You don't have anything other than the part in your hand. You got to make it. Again, the advantage of the scanning is we can measure big things. Gigantic parts, assemblies, tractors, boats, planes, and get a very accurate, precise model. And again, complex curvature. Maybe the only way you're going to be able to reverse engineer a complex auto part, curvature part, is going to be 3D scanning. Shop floor. We have small handheld 3D scanners, wireless, battery operated. You can go into a crowded machine shop and scan something, get out without any issues. In your own shop, get in there. You don't have to have cables. You don't have to have tracking units. You just have a little handheld scanner. You can go in there and get accurate models of something that needs to be made, but it's a really tight environment. And the outcome of this is going to be a CAD file that you can use in whatever design software you use, or go right to machining. So again, that's this Wednesday, the 2026 Manufacturing Supplier Expo in Lexington. Simon from Scanology and I will be there. We have a lot of experience in this, and we can answer any questions, do any demos, and hope to see you there. Thank you.